Central banks are manipulating interest rates, and inflation is silently eroding your savings. The shocking truth: gold and silver might be your last line of defense against a financial system rigged against you. Are you prepared to safeguard your wealth from the coming storm? For a long time, people have seen gold and silver as a way to protect their money when inflation goes up. The idea is that as the cost of things increases, the value of these metals also increases. This is because their supply is limited, unlike paper money, which governments can print more of. Think of it like this: if your dollar buys less and less, gold and silver should hold their value, acting as a safe harbor for your wealth. But is it really that simple? Some experts disagree. They point out that gold and silver prices don't always go up when inflation rises. Sometimes they even go down. This can happen for several reasons. For example, if interest rates go up, people might prefer to invest in bonds or other assets that pay a fixed income. Also, the demand for gold and silver can change based on what's happening in the global economy, or even just people's feelings about the market. Another thing to consider is that investing in gold and silver isn't free. You have to pay to store it safely, and you might have to pay taxes when you sell it. Plus, these metals don't produce any income like dividends or interest, so you're only making money if their price goes up. Some people suggest that instead of physically holding gold and silver, you can invest in gold and silver ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These funds act as an investment portfolio that contains gold and silver, which can provide ease of investment since you don't have to actually hold the physical gold. So, should you invest in gold and silver? It depends on your situation. If you're very worried about inflation and want to diversify your portfolio, they might be worth considering as a hedge against inflation. But it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Think about talking to a financial advisor to see if gold and silver fit into your overall investment strategy. Keep in mind that the historical data on gold and silver as inflation hedges is mixed. Some periods show a strong positive correlation, while others show little to no correlation, or even a negative correlation. This suggests that gold and silver's performance is influenced by many factors beyond just inflation, such as real interest rates, economic growth, and geopolitical events. Furthermore, the increasing popularity of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin as alternative stores of value raises questions about whether they might compete with gold and silver in the future. One question we haven't fully answered is how different types of gold and silver investments perform during inflationary periods. For example, do gold bullion coins offer better protection than silver mining stocks? Also, the video didn't explore the tax implications of owning precious metals in different countries. These are important considerations for investors to research further. Did you find this video helpful? Like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of investing.